Hello everyone. In today's lesson we will continue with the arrangements on the home page. In our last lesson we started working with the default page. We can continue using view components here. Let's start with the navbar section. This is navbar section. We need new view component for navbar section. Go to view components, open folder and go to default view components. Right click on default view components folder and add new class. Our class name is underscore default navbar section component partial. Okay, add click. Good. Underscore default navbar section component partial inherit view component control dot using Microsoft ASP.NET Core MVC choose. Okay, we need IView component result method public IView component result. Our method name must be invoke. Good. And return view. Okay, select this name and right click, copy name is, go to views and go to shared, go to components, right click components folder, add a new folder. Our folder name is paste underscore default navbar section component partial, and right click this folder on this folder and add new view, razor view and create as a partial view. Choose view name is default. I'm waiting for create. I hope you can understand me easily. Still, I am waiting. The navbar section is a static area. It isn't. It has not include database objects. I'm waiting. And navbar section is ready. Close and again open. Okay, go to index.cs.html and right click, cut, await component dot invoke asynchron. We need class name, delete this here, right click, paste. Okay, and go to again index, right click folder, rename, right click copy and right click this here, paste it. Okay, good. Go to default. Go to default. You can, if you want, you can change the menu names here or this address here. We will not make any change for now. Okay, only we can one change. For example, 1 2 3 instead of 4 5 6. Okay, go to index and Ctrl Shift W. You can see 4 5 6 street is work. Good. Next is the carousel section. This is carousel. You can close these tabs and this tab. This section, so carousel section, is the slider area in the original version of template. We can prepare it. This is a separate view component. The word carousel is normally the carousel in amusement parks. You know, carousels, normally a button is pressed and it rotates automatically. The same thing applies to the slider section. Here we can use the word slider instead of the word carousel. Okay. We need slider section instead of carousel. We need slider section. Right click, add new class, underscore default slider section component partial. Okay, good. And view component control dot. Okay, and public view component result invoke. Good. Return view. Okay. We can dynamically retrieve the values of this place via SQL. For this, we need to write the code that will list our slider entity in the view component class. Private read-only I slider service underscore slider service. Okay. We need constructor. Control dot generate constructor, and okay, our constructor method is ready. var values underscore slider service dot get all and return view with values. Okay, we need class name. Right click, copy, and go to views and right click components folder, add new folder. Our folder name is paste underscore default slider section component partial. Right click, add new view, razor view, and our view name is default lower e. Okay, I'm waiting for create, and go to sliders, right click, select top 1000 rows. As you can see, we have slider datas. Okay, good. Delete this here and close and again open. Okay, go to index, and we need add await component dot invoke asynchron and paste. Okay, and choose this here, cut and paste it. Okay, good. We need source here, but we need add model list. We need what is need. Oh, we can use, go to controllers. We can use, if you want, detail layer, but I don't use now, maybe later. We need Foody dot entity layer dot concrete dot slider. Okay, can we delete this here? Okay, good, it's work. And we need this is carousel inner, this is first, second, and third carousel. Oh, sorry, no. Go to original template, Foody, index, right click, view in browser. Organic food is good for health, 1. Natural food is always healthy, 2. Oh, okay, only 2. Okay, this is not problem, good. This is 1 and this is 2. Okay, good. We need only one for each. We need only one for each. Add for each var item in model. Okay, we need only that's enough, and you can delete this here. Image carousel hyphen 2. Okay, good. Product service and product service. Okay, good. You can delete this here, and right click, choose area and cut here, and add item dot image URL. Okay, delete this here and add item dot title. Okay, good. Go to SQL, right click, edit top to 100 rows. You can change image URL. Delete this here and paste. We need this name. Right click, rename, right click, copy. Okay, we need slash and okay, good. Copy, and this is 2. Okay, and this is now 1. Okay, good. Let's start and try it. Control Shift W. I'm waiting for open. What is it? We have a problem. Is this for scripts? Is this for scripts? No. We need a problem. Why? 1 minute. Let's try it like this. No, the database only just static. Delete and delete for each. Okay. And go to SQL, right click, copy. Okay. And Control Z, Control Z, and only one step next. Okay. Copy this here and delete only instead of paste, and delete this here. Okay, try it. Right Control Shift W. Okay, good. Actually, a station comes to my mind. I wonder if it gave an error because the number of sliders increased. Let's try this. Let's say there are only 2 data. Go to view active carousel. Okay. This div class is active. So I think error means okay, that's enough. We will continue next lesson.